Hi, my name is Martha Collison and I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate and lime funnel cakes from my new book, Twist. It's one of the easiest recipes in the book and it comes with a delicious chocolate sauce for dipping which can be made in minutes. They're really simple to make and I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few steps. So I'm going to start by making the batter. So I'm adding 1 egg to my milk and then add some vanilla extract and the zest of half a lime and give it a whisk together. I'm going to sift my flour into a bowl and then add to that a teaspoon of baking powder, some caster sugar and a pinch of salt. Make a well in the middle of the dry ingredients and then gently pour in the wet ingredients, whisking all the time until you get a thick custardy batter. Pop that into a piping bag and then set that to one side. So I've got my batter ready to go. And I'm just going to heat the oil ready to fry the cakes. A really good way to test if oil is hot enough is to take a small pinch of flour, sprinkle it in, and if it sizzles then it's ready to go. We've got a good sizzle there, so we're ready to fry the cakes. Snip the end off your piping bag and then drizzle the batter into the hot oil in a swirly pattern. When it looks golden underneath, you're ready to flip it over. So take some tongs and flip the cake onto the other side. Cook for a further minute and remove from the pan and drain on some kitchen paper. Sprinkle the cake with a mixture of sugar and lime zest. Set to one side and then repeat until all your batter is used up. To finish off our funnel cakes, I'm going to make a really quick chocolate sauce. I'm just going to put some chocolate, double cream and golden syrup into a saucepan and melt over a low heat until you have a lovely, smooth and silky sauce. This chocolate sauce is so simple to make and you can use on anything from ice creams to desserts, but it's perfect drizzled over these funnel cakes.